Yet again, another land is being stolen in Lagos.
My name is Shegun Kende Taylor. I'm a grandchild of E.J. Alex Taylor, who was the original owner of Abulegba property, former Yamaha premises. So my granddad was in possession of that property as his farmland for a very long period. When he died, our family has been in possession of that property for over 80 years, undisturbed possession of that property.
In the registry of Lagos State Government, the only documentation Lagos State Government has in respect of this property all belong to our clients, that's the Taylor family.
We've paid our tenement rates to Lagos State. We've had communications with Lagos State concerning that property. Lagos State knows that that property belongs to us. About 5 years ago, we had issues with Omonile concerning that property. So we wrote a petition to the Omonile task force that was set up during Ambode's time. So they came over and took over that property and said, okay, look, they will determine the owner from their records. So during the time of Ambode, the matter was not settled. But when Sanwo-Olu came during his first term, Lagos State reached out to us through the Minister of Justice, the AG then, said they had looked at their documents and they have seen that, yes, truly the property is owned by the Taylors. So they said they are ready to hand over the property back to us. As our lawyers and the Lagos State lawyer approached the judge and said, we want to have a consent judgment, which the judge gladly agreed to. So a consent judgment was given in our favor, stating that we are the owners, the true owners of that property.
When Babajide Sanwo-Olu came into office, the then AG, Onigbanjo SN, entered into terms of settlements with the Taylor family. The said terms of settlement recognize the Taylor family as the owner, as the bona fide owner of this property. The only request they made was that they will not be paying compensation, but they voluntarily handed over this property back to Taylor family, having conducted their due diligence, even having relied on the report prepared by the Ministry of Justice, which shows that the property clearly belongs to the Taylor family. Now, these terms of settlement was entered into by the High Court of Lagos State as consent judgment dated 18 December 2019, and the property was handed over to our client on the said date.
It is clear that Lagos State government is denying our clients the rule of law, as our property worth 9 billion has been taken over without any compensation. My client has lost confidence in the government. And this is why investors are also losing confidence in investing in Lagos. They just park dead bosses there claiming Lamata wants to use the place. No compensation.
We're shocked, amazed actually, to discover that Babajide Sanwo-Olu subsequently signed a notice of revocation dated 18th May 2020, which was pasted on the property sometimes in August 2020. And further, they forcefully went to the property and took possession of that same property on October 2022. In the said notice of revocation, all the documents listed belong to the Taylor family. In fact, our client root of title could be traced to 1912, which means our client has been seizing right of ownership in respect of this property for more than 100 years.
Why is the Tinubu dynasty and Lagos State government stealing people's lands, houses, and properties? The case of the Taylor family is very alarming. Imagine a property they own for over 8 decades.
So yes, my plea to Lagos State government is to comply with the terms of settlement, the consent judgment that is binding on it. They have no choice. It's the judgment of the court. If Babajide Sanwo-Olu believes in rule of law, that judgment must be complied with, recognizing Taylor family as the bona fide owner of this property by paying prompt compensation, which is a constitutional provision.
Governor Sanwo-Olu, return the Taylor's property or pay compensation now.
Kilarigbo TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.